Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of Mazda CX-7. According to some consumers on cars.com, Mazda did very little to help them. One reviewer reports that his tires kept cupping because the car wouldn't stay in alignment. Mazda agreed to replace two, but not the other two because he drives too many miles. Another reviewer reports that he was charged over $400 in service fees in spite of the fact that the dealership he took his car to did nothing to fix the problem. In response to the AC compressor going out, Mazda issued an extended warranty for vehicles under 60,000 miles. This was a low blow since many of the compressor problems didn't start to show until after 60,000 miles. Mazda did little better for the owners with engine problems. A special service plan was released that essentially extended the warranty up to 7 years or 70,000 miles. This may seem like a decent move, but there was a catch. If the owner had missed some sort of required maintenance, Mazda would consider the warranty void. Since there are rumors floating around that the CX-7 might be making a return in 2021, we can only hope that Mazda plans on fixing some of the former problems and doesn't jerk drivers around if new problems arise. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.